To those who just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your kids. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. We're now entering Splash Mountain, where every day is a zippity-doo-dah day. If you look real hard, you might just find your laughing place.
Destination, Mickey's Toontown Depot. This will be your stop for Mickey's Toontown, where you can meet Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy, and all of their pals. This will also be your closest stop for Fantasyland, where you can experience